Hey, what's up, guys? You got Crypto Chuck back here with the group Crypto Black. We're back at it again, baby. Hope you guys are enjoying your day. As you guys can see here, let's get right into it. It has been a great day, everyone. So, as you guys see here, guys, the market cap currently is at $344 billion. 24-hour volume is at $115 billion, guys. BTC dominance is down 58.6%. And as you guys can see here on a 1 day, basically you guys can see here we had 330. We started off at $335 billion on a 24 hours ago, and we had 344 billion. So we basically had about a $9 billion came into the market, guys. And for the last 7 days, for the last week, we came in. We started off the week at 337 billion, and then we had 344 billion. So 7 billion came in for the last week. So if you guys, congratulations, guys. If you in the market, if you bought some crypto, congratulations. You bought some in the last week. If you bought some yesterday, congratulations on that as well. Let's look at Bitcoin. Let's look at BTC, see how it's doing. As you guys can see here, guys, I told you we had this consolidation. Bitcoin had to make a decision. We on that support line at 10. We had at $10,615. Had a support line, and we had tested that support line. We didn't rest. Right here, I guess you could say we rested, but not really. You had these wicks came down here below it, 10,615, and then as you guys can see here, we're up here at $10,877 at the moment. We were at about 10.9. You guys can see here we at 10.9. Which is 10.936. 10.936. So it's been pretty good. Like I said, if we hold strong on this support line of 10.6, then I see us getting over to 11.1. And then that's our next resistance line. So look, the last time we actually went below this, rested, pretty much stayed down there, was on we came up across it. So I'll say last time we went below it and rested, you're looking at about September 24th. So it's been a little while. So this is pretty good. It's pretty good. But yeah, like I said, we'll get over 11.1, then we should be fine. But let's get into the news of the day. Let's get into why crypto is so bullish. You know what I'm saying? And this has something to do with it. So it says Square allocates 1% of its total assets to Bitcoin. So it says Square Inc. has announced today that it has purchased 4,709 BTC for approximately $50 million, allocating around 1% of its total assets as of Q2 2020 to Bitcoin. Now, the payments company founded by Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey said that it intends to participate in growing Bitcoin's adoption. Now, CashApp's parent company Square said invest 50 million. So it's a Square payment company founded by Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey has announced today that it has purchased approximately 4,709 Bitcoins and announced and published for its official website. The company said that it's the Bitcoins acquired at an aggregate purchase price of 50 million. Like, why it says the same exact thing? It's literally the same exact paragraph from before. Like, what the hell? So Square Chief Financial Officer Amrita Ahuja said that the investment was a result of the company's belief that Bitcoin has the potential to become a more ubiquitous currency in the future. As it grows in adoption, we intend to learn and participate in a disciplined way. For a company that is building products based on a more inclusive future, this investment is a step on that journey, she said in the company's announcement. Then it says not the first time Square dabbles in Bitcoin. So it says while buying $50 million worth of Bitcoins is a huge step for a company involved in traditional finance, Square has acquired quite a reputation in the crypto industry due to its continuous investments in cryptocurrencies. The company said that it has previously invested in Bitcoin from a product leadership and legal innovation perspectives. But that's today's announcement will be adding a financial investment to the list. But despite the huge investment, Square hasn't actually allocated that much of its resources to Bitcoin. According to the company's blog post, the investment represents approximately 1% of Square's total assets as of the end of the second quarter of 2020. Now, as of press time, the company has disclosed its plans for the investment in 2018. The company enabled Bitcoin trading in its Cash app, formed an independent crypto team a year later, and launched a cryptocurrency open patent alliance earlier this year. Now, as you guys can see, we already went on Bitcoin price. Now it says Bitcoin currently ranked #1 by market cap, is up 2.52% over the past 24 hours. BTC has a market cap of $201.56 billion with a 24-hour volume of $63.07 billion. And God, I think this is great. I think this is great. With Square getting into it. You know what? It's not, I don't think it's going to be long until people are able to you have that Bitcoin, they be able to accept Bitcoin through Square. I don't think it's going to be long. If they're going to be putting this money into it, they're going to, I don't think it's going to be long before you're able to purchase, if you're if you're a business owner and you want to accept Bitcoin, you have the option. You'll have the option if you're using Square. So I think they're heading that way, and then they can take their fees out in Bitcoin and everything too. And obviously over time they're accumulating Bitcoin with those transactions. People make purchases. It's gonna be it's a win-win basically for everyone across the board. I don't know. I'm not in Square. I don't work for them. I'm not in there or I don't work with them or anything like that. But this seems like a logical point for a point to me. It seems like they're looking to get into accepting Bitcoin, crypto, whatever you want to call it. They're looking to accept crypto moving, probably in the future. It could be the near future. So I think this is something that everyone should look out for. This is great. All the big finance companies are getting into Bitcoin. They know. They say, listen, we're going to take advantage of this. You just be an idiot if you're not. We learned all the banks, basically was shunning it, saying no crypto, blah, 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 blah. And then we come to find out they're buying hundreds of millions of dollars worth of crypto. So last step is basically the retail, more retail, more people, the average Joe to be getting into it. But the institutions, they're starting to get into it. They start to take advantage of it. And people, we don't want to be late, man. We don't want to be late, into crypto. Well, I'm not late, so I'm not late. But on an individual, but as a collective, we don't want to be late. We don't want to be late to the party. We don't want to get there when all the cake is gone, and the drinks, it's only a little bit of drink at the bottom of the bottle, all the cups is all on the floor, and then you're like, oh, party. Nah, man, you missed the party. So yeah, guys, let's get in while the drinks is flowing, while the DJs just getting started, while the lights is on, while the line is still long, and we skipping the line to get in. Let's get in when the party is really about to take off. So, but guys, let me know what you think about this right here. I think this is great. If you have Cash App, you can, it's been over a year, you're able to purchase, and I showed my barber how to actually purchase crypto, Bitcoin through his Cash App, and it's actually instant. So if you got Cash App, you can start buying Bitcoin as well, and you're able to utilize this as well. So if you got a couple $100 just sitting there in your Cash App, buy. I would say just try it out. Buy Bitcoin and sit on it. Buy $100 worth of it, 200, whatever you want to do, and get it going. I start off with $100 with crypto, and I'm not saying what I got now, but yeah, I've been pretty good. It's been pretty good to me. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think about this here. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel here, the YouTube channel. Make sure you guys go visit our website, www.cryptoblack.net. And then if you're getting started in cryptocurrency, you want to learn, you're a beginner, you want to learn how to learn about cryptocurrency, how to avoid the mistakes, how to earn money different ways in cryptocurrency, go take that course. You'll learn different ways on how you can actually earn money in cryptocurrency as well. Let's start making our money work for us instead of working for your money. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Stack your sats and chill, guys. It's your guy Crypto Chuck here with the group Crypto Black. We out of here, baby.